Hey there, nature lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the awe-inspiring world of the Grand Canyon, a place that'll leave you speechless with its jaw-dropping beauty and hidden wonders. If you're ready for a virtual journey through one of Earth's most magnificent landscapes, stick around and hit that subscribe button to join me on this incredible adventure. The Grand Canyon isn't just a big hole in the ground. It's like nature's ultimate masterpiece, showcasing the incredible power of time and the elements. Carved by the relentless flow of the Colorado River over millions of years, this stunning wonder stretches an impressive 277 miles, with some spots plunging over a mile deep. Can you believe that? It's so massive that you could fit the entire state of Delaware in there. But it's not just about its size, it's the vibrant colors and ever-changing views that really steal the show. You've got those breathtaking sunrises and sunsets painting the canyon in hues of orange and purple, making every visit feel like a new adventure. Picture this: as the sun peeks over the canyon rim, the first light spills onto the rocky walls, igniting them in a stunning palette of reds, oranges, and purples. Those colors aren't just pretty, they create a living canvas that shifts with every moment. One minute, you're looking at a vibrant sunset, and the next, it's a soft pastel dawn. It's like the canyon is putting on a show just for you. Honestly, it's such a breathtaking sight that you might just find yourself pinching your arm, wondering if you're dreaming. Trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. But the Grand Canyon's beauty isn't just skin deep. Hidden within its vast expanse are countless wonders waiting to be discovered. Ancient petroglyphs etched into rock faces tell stories of the indigenous peoples who called this place home for thousands of years. Secret waterfalls cascade down hidden alcoves, their mist creating miniature rainbows in the desert air. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the diverse wildlife that calls the canyon home, from soaring California condors to elusive bighorn sheep. One of the most incredible aspects of the Grand Canyon is how it changes as you explore it from different vantage points. From the rim, you're treated to sweeping panoramas that stretch as far as the eye can see. But descend into the canyon itself, and you'll find yourself in a whole new world. The temperature drops, the air grows still, and the towering walls of rock seem to close in around you, creating an atmosphere of quiet reverence. Hiking the Grand Canyon's many trails is truly an adventure like no other, especially for those who crave a little thrill. Each step you take unveils fresh perspectives and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Take the Bright Angel Trail, for example. It's famous for a reason. As you wind your way down into the canyon's heart, you're treated to glimpses of ancient rock layers and fossilized remnants of creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Seriously, it feels like you're walking through a living geology textbook, where every layer has its own story to tell about our planet's distant past. But here's the thing, the Grand Canyon isn't just about the sights, it's about the feelings too. There's this incredible sense of timelessness that washes over you, reminding you how fleeting our own lives are compared to the geological epochs that shaped this place. Standing on the edge, you can't help but feel a mix of awe and humility, realizing that this breathtaking landscape has been around long before us and will continue to exist long after we're gone. It's a powerful reminder of nature's enduring beauty, don't you think? As day turns to night, the Grand Canyon unveils yet another stunning side of its beauty. Seriously, if you haven't experienced it, you're missing out. The lack of light pollution here makes it one of the best spots on the planet for stargazing. On a clear night, the Milky Way stretches across the sky like a cosmic river, sparkling so brightly it feels like you could just reach out and touch it. It's honestly a humbling experience, right? Standing there, you can't help but feel small, like you're just a tiny speck in this vast universe. And if you listen closely, the silence is almost magical, letting you soak in the moment. Just imagine lying back on a blanket, surrounded by the canyon's majestic cliffs, and gazing up at all those stars. It really puts everything into perspective, doesn't it? One of the hidden wonders of the Grand Canyon that often goes unnoticed is its incredible biodiversity. Seriously, it's amazing. Despite the harsh desert vibes, This place is bursting with life. Picture this, deep in the canyon, you'll stumble upon lush oases fed by hidden springs, where cottonwood trees and willows create cozy spots for all sorts of critters. You might catch tiny lizards basking on sun-warmed rocks or see majestic golden eagles soaring high on thermal updrafts. It's like nature's little miracle, right? Life finds a way to thrive in what seems like an inhospitable landscape, and that's just mind-blowing. And let's talk about the constant change and surprises here. Seasonal rains can turn dry washes into raging torrents, reshaping the canyon's features in real time. Imagine standing there as the water rushes by, carving out new paths. Winter snows dust the upper rim with a delicate white frosting, creating a stunning contrast against those fiery red rocks below. Then, when spring rolls around, wildflowers burst into bloom, splashing vibrant colors across the rugged terrain. It's like the Grand Canyon is showing off its beauty in every season. For those who prefer a more relaxed way to experience the canyon's wonders, a mule ride along the rim or down into the canyon itself offers a unique perspective. These sure-footed animals have been carrying visitors through the Grand Canyon for over a century, allowing people of all ages and abilities to explore areas that might otherwise be inaccessible. One of the most surprising aspects of the Grand Canyon is its rich cultural history. For thousands of years, this place has been sacred to numerous Native American tribes who have left their mark in the form of ancient dwellings, rock art, and oral traditions. Learning about these cultures adds another layer of depth to the canyon experience, reminding us that this natural wonder has been inspiring and sustaining human life for millennia. As our journey through the Grand Canyon wraps up, wow, what a ride it's been! This place is like nothing else on Earth, right? Its sheer size and stunning beauty are just mind-blowing. Standing on the rim, you can't help but feel tiny as you gaze at that endless expanse of colorful rock layers. And when you're deep in the canyon, surrounded by those towering ancient walls, it feels like you've stepped into a whole new world. Each twist and turn reveals hidden wonders like the vibrant colors at sunset or the gentle sound of the Colorado River below. Honestly, the Grand Canyon has a way of reaching into your heart and changing you forever. It's an experience you just can't put into words. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend adding the Grand Canyon to your bucket list. It's a place that everyone should experience at least once in their lifetime, and who knows? You might just find yourself coming back again and again, drawn by the canyon's timeless beauty and the promise of new discoveries around every bend. That's a wrap for today. I hope this Grand Canyon tour got you excited to explore our planet's natural wonders. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Want more awesome content? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out. Keep exploring and stay curious, there are so many hidden gems out there just waiting for you. Catch you on the next adventure.